Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add a friend on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here in this sign here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign settings here in app, click on it. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on Sweatcoin bonuses here. Then you come to this list, you click here on add a friend. So then you come to this list here. Then here can you add a friend here in this list, can you find it? So like they say here, invite a so here it's going to show for your list. Then can you send invites to your friends? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.